Okay, so let's do an unboxing video on the InfiRay Rico 50. This is their 640 unit. This is InfiRay's flagship model. So let's take a look at it, what all comes in the box. Just want to open the box, pull out the soft case, set those to the side. In the case, what's going to come, it's going to have a mount. This is the factory mount. It's going to have the charger, and we're going to have a connector cable here, and we'll have a wall charger adapter. Now for the scope's going to come. Comes with a lens cover. Got your focus knob, your power button, your zoom, your menu button, and your record button. Get through your menus through short press and long press of the menu button. Got a pick rail here, and this is for if you want to add their LRF module to it. Got a plug-in right here for a USB port. This is where you would plug in your LRF module, or you can just plug this cord in here to charge the scope with the battery in it, or use the battery charger. On the other side here, we have the internal rechargeable battery. Pops out with it. These things run about 7 hours continuous with a full charge on the battery, which is great. So this is InfiRay's Rico RH50. This is a 640 by 512. It comes with a 3-power base mag and a 12-power digital zoom. This unit is a very nice unit, has a very good picture, handles bad weather and humidity better than most any scope I have run, and I have run pretty much every scope on the market. Okay, so let's do an unboxing video with a Pulsar Trail XP50 LRF. This will be the Trail 2 model. So let's see what all comes in the box here. Open the box up. Comes with a soft case. Slide it to the side. Now, what comes in this? We got our cable for our charger. Got our charging cradle. Have the wall outlet plug-in, and we have the scope. And the mount is already attached to it. I've already previously attached this. So the Trail XP50 is a 640 unit from Pulsar. This is one of their flagship models. It has the LRF on the side, and Pulsar's LRFs are known for being great LRFs. It does come with a lens cover. Let's build onto it. Has your standard buttons on the top, up, down, your menu button, record button. The power button is here on the side. And to remove the battery, lift the lever, has the rechargeable battery. It's a great feature in all scopes that comes like this. I much rather prefer these than the CR123As. They can get costly. This scope also has a connection on the side that you can plug the charger in here to charge the scope. This is a Type C. I'm sorry, that is not a Type C. Comes with your eye relief here. This is a 2-power base mag with up to a 16-power digital zoom. Your zoom wheel here. This is one of Pulsar's flagship scopes.